Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today I'm going to solve one of the issue which I'm facing, that is bootstrap-rubygem requires the Sass engine. So how we are going to solve this issue, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So any of them you can use, whether you go with the Dart CSS Spy rockets, SP rockets, Sass rails, Dart rails, or CSS bundling rails. So I'm going to use any of them. So I'm going to go with this one. So just copy this one and let's go to our gem file. So here we have the gem file. So let's add gem in the quotes, paste this. Okay, done. Now we have to add the bundle install command to install this bundle install. Okay, so this is, let's see how much time it will take. Now it's done. Let's run Rails server. Okay, and now the issue resolved. Let's open it and check the bootstrap is now added or not. So we have send notifications, I suppose. Let's go. Let me check with the routes. I think I have added the bootstrap currently. So let me check whether the where is the routes. Yeah, this is routes. We have a new notifications. Okay, let me just add the new notification, and here you can see that the bootstrap is added. Let's check this. I think the bootstrap is not coming like this now. So the next video we will take a look of that one. So currently, so the issue is resolved, so you can resolve this issue. In the next video we are trying to learn how to add the bootstrap into your application. Okay, currently it's not there. Might be I need to just change the layouts. Here we go with our assets application.css, import bootstrap, or maybe I rename with scss, then it will work. No, I think I haven't added into the layouts some section. So in the next video we'll get to know about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.